Hello everyone! In today's video, we will be using the washing machine. Okay, so join me while doing the laundry. So this is the dryer, guys. That one. And this is our washing machine. Okay, this is how we are going to do. We're going to open this. So guys, we're done putting the clothes inside. Now this time, we're going to place some powder. Okay guys, so we got this one called powder and the fabric softener. Okay, so we'll put a bit of it full of this one, the cover. So this is how it looks like. So we're going to place it here. Okay. Okay, so we also put a bit of fabric softener, guys. Now at this point, we are going to turn on the machine. So we will choose the hand wash, guys. The hand wash, okay, because there are quite sensitive fabric, and it is high. We can choose the water level as maybe medium. It could be high. Then we might use the warm water and no soak. Don't need the soak. And then you have her deep extra. We can have it extra. Okay, so we already set for the water level. We have high, then warm for our temperature. We can actually use cold, so the color won't be messed up. Then no soak, and then extra. Okay, so we are going to click start. So it started now, the filling the water. Okay, so finish in 49 minutes. I will wait for 49 minutes. So finally, guys, it's finished. Look at that. So we are now ready to open. Okay, we're going to turn this off. It's already off, and we're going to open. So this is it. Okay, so these are our clothes, and we're going to dry them. We will be using the dryer, and here's our dryer, guys. We will just place it there inside, and later on we will maneuver whatever is we're going to set. Okay. So it's now empty, guys. Going to cover this, and we already placed all our clothes in there. Okay, so prepare this. Okay, we need to set. We need to set. You can check here. Drying. Here for drying and crispy, and okay, extra dry. Then we have to place this one. Okay, then we can now start. Okay, so we'll wait until it's done.